everybody, it's Marcy, and I'm here to show you a quick flip through of the little journal I made for Dear Julie Julie's February Finish It Junk Journal Challenge, mini challenge in the challenge number 4. We were to make a little journal using at least 7 cards, and by that, note cards, greeting cards type thing, and at least 5 envelopes. Now, I don't have a stash of cards because I make my own cards. So I ended up cutting down some scrapbook paper to card size, and then I made some envelopes to use. Okay, so this is my journal. I just got it wrapped around right now. I don't have it secured. Put a doily and a cutout from the scrapbook paper there. And this is an envelope. So there's envelope 1. Here's part of card 1. Made a little top tuck with a journaling card. Now, Julie had done a video showing how she made hers, and I tried to follow it. She was really tickled with the way it came out. I tried to follow it. It was not an easy method to follow, and I did mess one thing up. I couldn't even tell you where it is now, but I do like the way it came out. I actually had to, as I was watching her, I had to take some extra pieces of envelope and card paper and watch her and do it and write it down, the steps, 1, 2, 3, 4, and do this before this to get this anywhere close to the way she did hers. I did leave a pocket here on the inside. I plan to use this. We're going to be traveling, and I plan to take this with me. So I left a pocket on the inside in case there's something I need to tuck in that I don't want to risk falling out. So I made it on the inside. Okay, back to it. And here we've got a card attached to an envelope with another journaling card inside. And that's the back of the envelope. Here's an envelope attached to a card again. This is the flap of the envelope, and I just made a couple of little cards. Here. You'll see that nothing is very embellished. As I said, we're going to be traveling, and I want to be able to embellish basically about our trip. So I've done virtually no embellishing on this. Okay, and this is made, the polka dot is a card, and this is a card, and it was cut, the two attached. Here we were also to make a belly band, which I've got here. I added this little paper clip. And we've got a belly band here, which was a requirement. And this is actually a double belly band. And then we needed to have 2 book page elements. I don't know if you can even see it. I was dying to try this napkin, so I did. Over a book page with the black background on it. And I actually kind of like it because you can't see the book page through the black, or at least I can't, but you can through the flowers. and the hummingbird. So I think that's really kind of a neat effect. So I covered that with a napkin and just put some note papers in it to have some note-taking space while we're on our trip. Put that back in a minute. This one is 2 cards attached and another to create this pocket with another journaling card. Here we've got this envelope and it creates a flip out page. Again, a journaling card in here. And that is part of a card. Here's the flap of an envelope with a couple of more little tuck cards. Here we've got a card attached to an envelope. And again, did I make, it feels like it has a, oh, it, does it or not? No. I guess I didn't put anything in that one. Okay. On this side, card attached, journaling card, more envelope flap with a couple of cards. Here I've got another card back with a pocket. Did I mention? Okay. These, well, actually there's 2 of them, but 2 pockets, but they're the same type, so that would count as one, and then we had to make 2 different pocket types, so this is my other pocket, and here I've got some ephemera left over from this paper that I've just tucked in here that I might want to use while we're traveling. And flip on over. And here in the back, I used another book page to make a string closure envelope in case I've got stuff I need to stick in there to keep it safe. And then the only thing I did that I didn't see Julie do is on the outside, I used a piece of cardstock to bridge the binding just to, it made me feel like it gave it a little more security. I wasn't wild about the open binding, so I just closed that off. But that is my little journal, and let me know what you think. I'll talk to you guys later. Have a great day and happy crafting. Bye-bye.